Hello everyone, welcome to Harsha Lectures. In this lecture, I am going to explain you about container with most water, given n non-negative integers a1, a2, so on an, where each represents a pointed coordinate I, ai, and vertical lines are drawn such that the two endpoints of the line I is at I, ai and I, 0. Find two lines which together with the x-axis forms a container such that the container contains the most water. So here coming to example 1, we need to find out which two container is having maximum water. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So here if we measure 8 to 6 or 8 to 2, these are many containers available in this graph. So which two container is having maximum water, that we need to find out. Here they given heights 1, 8, 6, 2, 5, 4, 8, 3, 7, and here we need to show the output by finding maximum water between two containers. Okay. Now I'll explain clearly. Here first we need to create variables. Int max water variable I am initializing 0 and I am creating left variable. Here also I am initializing 0 and here I am initializing right. Height dot length minus 1. Okay. Now for int I equal to, only to mention for loop, here directly we can mention while I is less than j. If I is less than j, then here max water math dot max of, here in this I will mention max water comma right minus left. Okay, and multiply with math dot min. In this I will mention height of left comma height of right. Okay, in this if height of left is less than height of right. If left container is less than right container, then I need to increment left. Okay, left increment. Else if height of left is greater than height of right, okay, if height of left is less than height of right, then I need to increment left. If height of left is greater than height of right, then I need to decrement right. So right decrement. Okay. And here I am going to return max water. Now I will run this code. Any error is there or not, we'll check. Here cannot find symbol. Okay. While int. Okay. Okay, here instead of I can mention left comma right. Now I will run this code. Okay, accepted. Now I will submit this code. Success. So the logic behind this is, here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here in this step what it is doing, I am doing just right minus left, means here this is 8. 8 minus 1, 7. Multiply. Here I am finding out the minimum height. Here the minimum height is 7. So this 7 multiply with 7 is 49. This is the maximum water. We can find out through this logic. If you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in comment section, and please do like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.